Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Today I want to share with you some items that I picked up thrifting. These were a couple of different places and a couple of different days. So I wanted to share with you all the great things that I picked up. Most of these items are going to be something that I'm going to upcycle and possibly resell. Most of these items I will probably paint and upcycle and then put them on Facebook Marketplace. Most of the stuff that I buy is wood. So I love to buy wood pieces because new wood pieces and solid wood things are really expensive. So getting them at a thrift store is so much better. And anyway, let's get started and I'll show you what I got. So this is a really nice big wooden tray that I got. It was $3 at the thrift store and it's in really good shape. It's just plain. There's really nothing fancy to it, but I just thought, you know what, this might make somebody a really nice serving tray, especially if I use some farmhouse colors to paint it up and to also maybe do something with the handles here. I might even give it some feet on the bottom so it has a little bit more of a raised effect. So I thought this for $3, this was a really good buy. Thinking this is a dough bowl. If I'm mistaken, please let me know, but it does have the shape of a dough bowl. So this was $4.99, a little bit more pricey, but you know what? It's really in, again, fantastic shape. Somebody just didn't want it. I don't know what I'll repurpose this. I might leave it this color because dough bowls are mostly this type of color. It would be good for on a table to decorate, maybe hanging on a wall, or, you know, using it as a dough bowl for what it's made for. So I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that one. So this is two pieces, and I'm just going to take the elastic off. $2.99 for two, they're two frames. They have the indentations in the back where you can set in your pictures, and they probably were meant to be, you know, maybe hung on side by side, or they have a rounded edge on the top and they're straight on the bottom. So they're a pair. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They might look good as hinged together to make a little standing album or photo op, or maybe two separate ones that have some little sign things in them. So I'm not quite sure what to do, but they're definitely going to get painted. That I know for sure. So this one was a little bit on the pricey side, but it's a frame. It's $4.99, and this one looks like it's about an 11 by 14, but I really loved the design. I always look for frames that have something pretty here around the edges. Like, I'm not going to spend $5 on a frame that is just plain around the edges, but it's got a nice glass on it and it's in really good shape. So that will make a fantastic sign for someone. This next find is very heavy. It was $4.99. It is a humongous rolling bin and I just love it. It's seen some wear and tear and it's a little dirty in some spots. So I'll probably give it a really good cleaning, see what I can do with this brown part. There is a bit of a chip here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. But you know what? That just adds to the character of it. I probably will, if I can get this clean, I'll probably leave it wood, but then I might just color the handles, or I might just paint the whole thing. So when I get around to doing something with it, then I'll figure it out, hopefully. And I'm trying to remember how it works. This is, it was $2.99. Okay, now I'm figuring out how it works. It is a stand, and it looks like, whoops, it looks like it could be a recipe stand. So for a recipe book, for any type of book, I was thinking it would be a great iPad stand. So if you were reading or you wanted to use a recipe on your iPad, I thought it would be a perfect thing to do. You can actually stand it up multiple ways. I'll put it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Whoops. Let me hang on to that. Okay, so this is the first. If I can get it to, oh, now it's being fussy. All right, there's the first height, and then there's another height, and then there's a lower height even further to the back. So it goes together much better than that. It's just hard for me to do it while I'm videoing. But I thought this was really nice. This is definitely getting a coat of paint. It'll probably get maybe black, maybe white, definitely going to get some distressing, but I think somebody would probably appreciate having something like this on their kitchen counter if they do a lot of recipes. Okay, so Nautical, $3.99 for this oar with the little hooks. I have a cottage, so I tend to look for things that are nautical. I will definitely not be keeping this, these hummingbirds. It's very cute, but I'll definitely be sanding that down, and I'll be giving this a nice coat of paint. I'm probably going to do some stripe effect here, or maybe even some stripes here, just to make it more nautical and fit in with my cottage. So this guy I thought was so cute. Look at, it's a little, you can see it. Oh, it's a nice little well, and it's so cute. It actually works. You can actually, like, it was a piggy bank. You can see there's a slot here. Oh, there might even be something in it. I haven't even checked that. And then it's got the little bucket, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. Has some nice wood on the top. So I'll probably leave this wood here. I'll probably paint some of the other parts of it. It's really neat. What you do is you undo it at the bottom here with the screw, and then you can get your money out. But I think it's just a really cute decorative piece. This was $3.99. So when I see really cute little things like this that are unique, I always pick them up just because somebody's going to want it somewhere in their home, or actually outside. That would be really cute for outside in the spring. So moving on to the second place that I went to, and this was actually just today. I went and stopped in at a thrift store on my way home, and I found this. It's in two pieces now. I found this nice wooden chicken. I thought he was just adorable. And of course, he's definitely not going to stay wood and stay these colors because he's not a farmhouse chicken right now. He is just a wood chicken. So I'm going to fix him up at the bottom, and then I'm going to repaint him, and I might keep him. I might put him above my cupboards in the kitchen because he's really nice and tall, and he'll sit up nice and high, and you'll be able to see it. So this was $3.99 for this guy. So some more coastal stuff. This big, huge fish cutting board, $2.99, solid wood. It's seen some wear and tear, and that's okay, but I just love the shape of it. And when I see things that have unique shapes on them, something that would be not that easy for me to actually do and create. I mean, I could definitely do this with my jigsaw, but if I can get something like this for $3, then that's what I'm going to do. So he's also going to get painted, and he's going to be going up to the cottage. Another cottage find, and I'm not doing anything with this guy, is this loon. And I just love collecting loons for the cottage. He was $3. I'm going to take his little sticker off. But he's really nice. And I've gotten actually quite a few of these. I think this is my third or fourth one that I found. So some people don't like the loons, but you know, I love them. They're very cottage related. So he's going to cruise up to the cottage with us. So I grabbed this napkin holder. I thought it would be great as a display item. It would be great as a napkin holder itself, but you could also just have a sign displayed in here if you wanted to. It's really nice, smooth wood. It was only $1.99. And I thought, you know what? This is a really nice napkin holder. I could use one of these at the cottage. I could also use one of these just here at home, because right now I'm just using a little tin bucket. So this is definitely going to get some painting and some distressing. And I'll probably use it as a napkin holder. Where I'm going to put it yet, I don't know. And the last item I grabbed today was this cool basket. And it's made of wood. You can see that it's kind of like, I don't know, I guess plywood or really thin something or other. I'm not really sure what it's made of, but it is wood, and it has these cool studs on it. And these handles are really neat. You can see they're kind of turned over, really nice and sturdy. Nothing wrong with it, nothing broken. It's $2.99. So this will definitely get a farmhouse touch to it. I'm going to probably paint him white, maybe paint the handles black. I'm going to make sure that these studs are going to show up. So I'll probably, make those studs maybe black or dark gray. But I just thought this was a great little piece, and somebody might want that, or I might keep it for myself. So I just thought it was great. So anyway, that's my small haul for today. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be repurposing all of these items. I'm going to show you how I do them, what I do to them, and if I sell them, I'll let you know how much I'm going to price them for. They will be available on Facebook Marketplace. So thanks for stopping by the Schwowin's Nest today. I really appreciate your support. If you're new to my channel, please click that red subscribe button, like, comment, and share my videos. See you in the next one. Bye for now.